Luffy! Luffy! Yo guys, the brand new working codes. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Do you see that? Did you see that? Yo, did you see that? Did you see that? Yo guys, did you see this? Oh no. Oh no, this is the biggest code gatekeeper ever. Oh my, I hope we can, you know, we can get some codes today with this brand new update. I'm not sure, okay? I am not sure. Because these codes are locked up. They are locked up. They're behind a safe. You have to be a safe cracker, okay? To even like redeem these codes. But we got all the new rookie codes. And we get the Luffy's mans, okay? The Luffy mans is here. I hope these codes are not case sensitive because this is exactly how you should type it. Update fixes. Okay, it worked, it worked. W, it worked. W, it worked. Let me adjust my screen so you can actually see it. Also guys, if you do need the game passes, okay, the game passes are very important in this game. So what you need is a VIP plus VIP. Maybe you need 3x game pass, but there is a ball radar, okay? The ball radar is there as well. No, wait, where is the thing? I'm looking, okay, I'm looking. Where is the double XP? 3x game speed, okay. 3x game piece, game speed, speed. Comment down below speed. If you want this, comment down below speed, okay, speed. Comment down below speed right now, guys. Comment down below speed right now. Unable to find player? Really? Nobody is named speed? What about speed 1? Nobody is speed 2? Yo. Gift a game pass. Choose a player to gift game pass. Okay. So what if I type in Johnny? Johnny. Okay, what if I type in Mr. Cool? Mr. Cool. Okay, this game is amazing. I love this game. Anyways. Luffy. The next code that you have to redeem is the godly update. Godly update? Yeah, it's the godly update. The godly update. The godly update. Boom. You must be in the official group. No, I don't think so. Dungeon. Okay, new dungeon. Look at him. New dungeon. So, why did I redeem the first code and I can't redeem the other codes? Make sure you guys like the video and subscribe right now so I can redeem these codes. That is insane. That is insane. Secret code. No way, secret code is here. There is an actual secret code. Make sure you guys redeem secret code. And you do need to be in the group. You do need to be in the group to redeem these codes. But the first code, you did not have to be in a group. So this code, I redeemed this code without a problem. I didn't have to do anything. Mr. Bobek. And who is this? Brandon. The trio. Guys, comment down below what the best unit is. I don't know. Which one is the best one? Lord Aliens? Baldy? Bobek? Zombie? Zufi? I don't think Zufi is it, huh? We need gear 5. Gear 5 Zufi.